Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY hair oil to help with hair growth. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 2 tablespoons of aloe vera powder. Aloe vera contains enzymes which helps to repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Also, aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. All 3 of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover and help in promoting healthy cell growth. Also, aloe vera helps to cleanse the scalp so more nutrients can penetrate the hair follicle and help your hair to grow faster and more efficiently. And the second ingredient is going to be 1 tablespoon of dried red onion. When it comes to onions, it helps to nourish your hair follicles with its rich content of sulfur. Sulfur is essential for the regeneration of your hair follicles. The rich sulfur content also helps to minimize hair thinning and breakage. The antioxidants help to reverse premature graying and delayed graying. Also, onions is rich with antibacterial properties, which help to keep your scalp healthy and free of infection, promoting unhinged hair growth. Also, these same properties help to control dandruff. Now I'm just going to place the ingredients into a mason jar, and then I'm also going to place 1 cup of avocado oil into the mason jar as well. You can use any carrier oil that you would like. So now I'm just going to place the mason jar into a pot of boiling water. I have my stove set in between medium to low heat. If you choose not to do this method, you can also use a crock pot, or if you don't want to use heat at all, you can place the mason jar into a cabinet and you can leave the oil in the cabinet for about 2 weeks. After 2.5 hours, I removed the mason jar from the heat and I allowed the oil to cool down. And now I'm just going to strain the oil using a cheesecloth. After I've placed the oil into an applicator bottle, now I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of black seed oil, and I'm going to add about 10 to 20 drops of rosemary oil. You can use any essential oil that you would like. The shelf life of this oil is between 12 to 18 months. Make sure that you keep it in a cool, dry area of your home. With this oil, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, a scalp oil, and you can also add a few tablespoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner. As a scalp oil, you can use this oil daily or at least 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure you apply it to your roots and massage it into your scalp. Also, you can add your favorite essential oils to the oil as well. The hot oil treatment, apply it from root to ends, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then wash out with your favorite shampoo. Also, you can use this oil as an overnight treatment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!